Greetings and welcome. I'm Psychic Medium Roberto, and I truly hope you're doing well today. I am guided by Spirit, and I'm recording this on the July 12th. Trigger warning: the subject matter is of a mature nature and deals with true crime events. Disclaimer: all cases are treated as alleged until proven in a court of law. So I'll be looking at the missing persons case of Nikki Cheng McCain. I made it short just for the purpose of the thumbnail. Missing since May 17th, 18th. Last seen the 17th, apparently a text message early morning 18th. We'll verify that text message. And the episode was suggested by Luminaris Emporium, so thank you very much. Funny enough, when I was trying to save this document, I had a folder in my True Crimes folder, so thank you for bringing it up. So Spirit keeps telling me, and the feeling I'm getting is I'm going to go with the flow. If you're not interested in the flow of things and more the summary, quick answer, I usually do a summary at the end. But I'm getting a sense I need to feel what is going on here. And let's just say the objective then of this episode is, where is Nikki, right? So let's just see what happened here, May 17. So as an emotional marker, we've already got this 33. Smiling. 33. Emotional marker. So we'll go forward. Of course, we are aware of, so if you're not familiar with the case, beg your pardon, Nikki laid charges in December of assault. Allegedly, her husband or partner, whoever he is, by the sounds of it, was horrific, gagged her, bound her, beat her, and he was about to face these charges in court. And of course, Nikki then goes missing 2 weeks before the court case, right? So here we go. We got these out of balance 8s here. So this is on the day, last eyeballs on Nikki on this day, right? Unfortunately, we do have death in the air or change. We have the dreaded 21-3 number, which speaks about abduction, kidnapping. I try to look for the day the assault happened, or when the charges, but I'm getting mixed info, but we'll have a look at it if we need to go deeper in a future episode. Objective, let's find Nikki, see if we can get some information. So we've got a hidden plan here, right? Hidden plan. And I was just about to say it's going to play an important role, I think, here. And yeah, because we have this 21-3, we're definitely going to get that 22-4. So let's just not jump to conclusions. We may have a clue as to location. So before starting the episode, I asked for a spirit message. Unfortunately, it's not a good one. One day we will get good ones, ladies and gentlemen. Here's a 22-4. So on the one hand, speaks about the plan. See this 13-4 here, not good. So the 22-4 speaks about the plan. Now, the spirit message I received was audible. It's funny, a few episodes ago, saying that I get mainly video. Now Spirit has given me audible lately. Audible snap sound. That's what I heard, a snap sound. I haven't looked at the area where she's gone missing or researched that information. But I will give, for the people in the area, I will give what I get. And if you please, you can respond in the comments. Let's see if we can dig deeper if need be. So, a snap sound, the impression that I received, or I felt, so if you get a thick branch and you snap it, particularly branch snap. Okay, we're going in. So already by nightfall on May 17, there's this 21-3, which speaks about abduction. So 12-3, let's say on a positive side, 12-3 speaks about if you were police and you happen to be walking past this situation, 12-3 talks about an arrest. But in the case when I believe we're dealing with male issues here, brings around the issue of control. Control. She is now in his control. So already by sunrise the next morning, we got 18-9 here, ladies and gentlemen. So let's be fair. I believe the text message would have been around 3 a.m. or in that zone. This zone here is within that time zone. So from midnight to sunrise falls in here where the text message would have happened. But we've already got an 18-9 here. What is it telling us here? The outcome, foul play, unfortunately. And apologies to the family and friends and the children. I mean, Nikki's got 4 kids. And unfortunately, confirmed with a 31-4, speaks about death, unfortunately. However, numerology provides us a clue, and we'll verify it, where we might find Nikki. So let me write here, we're looking, so for a location, because this is going to have to be the main objection. Location, land, earth, can include mechanics, construction. My empath levels are high. Now, mechanics and construction, I'm not familiar with the area. Now, the 22-4 mechanics construction can include tree felling. I don't know if that's the correct term for the US, but wherever there's logging. I don't know if that exists in the area, but the sound is not a very nice one, unfortunately. So let's just have a look. Let's keep going forward. But unfortunately, there's not a good outcome here. Unfortunately. So let's just see here, 19. The 24-6 speaks about familiarity. And the 15-6 speaks about the arsehole boyfriend or husband, whatever the connection is. My empath levels are going haywire. Let's just see. So here's evidence again of foul play. Alright, so we're focusing on location. Ooh. There's some water around. See, this 25-7 is always an interpersonal issue of serial behavior, the constant beating, 33-6 murder by a familiar, boyfriend confirmed. So the location now, I'm going to still go with obviously earth, land, earth, mechanics, construction, because this is premeditated. This person already knew what they were going to do. (33-6) is premeditation. It's not spur of the moment issue. So of course he's known since December that something's going to go down. Probably hoping against hope that she'll somehow drop the charges. I want to just check something here quickly as well. So this is when the vehicle was found. I'm just going to jump to 27 here quickly. See, 27-9 gives us premeditated as well. Foul play. Here's that idiot male issues. Yeah. See, we have this presence of the 33 here. I keep getting shown lawn. This green outdoors lawn where she is, which speaks to here. land and earth. That text message, when I read or heard about the text message, that to me is fake. That's the feeling I had. Didn't sit right with me. She was, I believe she was already deceased by sunrise. In fact, even possibly before sunrise. Midnight, beg your pardon. Because here we have a capture number here. Where is Nikki? So wherever he or wherever she said she was traveling to in the text message, and if the cell phone towers pick up him driving her vehicle that way, then obviously in that area. But then, so he must have had help then, did he? Because 14.5 also speaks about having help. I believe he may have had someone with him here, huh? Let's see if we can confirm this. He may have had help here. There's a couple of twos, these 11 twos, transactional elements. 38, 11, 2, that's conversation with other people. So he may have had help here. And the whole time I'm recording the show, I keep feeling like sawdust is in my face. And I'm struggling to breathe. And my father was a carpenter. So I grew up with factories and workshops with wood. Feels like I'm getting smothered by those kind of elements. I haven't researched what these people do. Or what he does, rather, let's say. Here's this big male outburst. I'm just looking at key elements here where we can possibly find. It's definitely earth, land, construction, logging. It's a working environment. But land-based. So what is this 22 year? Let's see if we can pick up something here. So this 22 speaks about the mother, the family. So 16.7 divorce. 16.7 is the mother, is the family. 16.7 is the divorce. The issue in the marriage. And we know who it is, right? The familiar arsehole. So this is not a good sign here, unfortunately. 32.5. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we've been seeing some graphic murders lately, with this Bristol suitcase murders. Let's catch a taxi. What's in your bags? 2 dead bodies. What in the world is going on? So 32.5 would speak about what we would see in those suitcases, unfortunately. Destruction. Let's just see one day before she goes missing. And then we'll check around the car properly. Yo. So all the serial behavior, men behaving badly, huh? I mean, just the brief charges against the guy, I was like, what the heck? See, yeah, speaks about the legal issues, you see. This beg your pardon, yeah. This 2911-2, let's say in a legal sense, speaks about law issues here. And hidden is this, see here, he's planning this here, abduction number here. So I would imagine that the person that's involved here would have either worked at this location or knows this location, or would have at least gone out there to check out the location. So I would say this person knew where he was going to take her. So we would need to track his vehicle, track his phone, prior even to May 17, because on May 17 could have switched off his phone, but prior to that he would have gone and done a recce or would have been familiar with this location. Let's go back. Let's see if we can get some more information here. He was scheming this for a while. Alright, let me see if I get any images. I'm seeing a tree line. Would the location definitely known to the perpetrator? So definitely familiar to Nikki, that goes without saying almost, right? But I do believe that he may have got people to help. The outcome of which I don't believe is very good, which will make finding her a lot more difficult, unfortunately. And of course, there's been a lot of support for Nikki. But I would definitely track the husband or partner, whatever the relationship type is. There was premeditation, there's planning, there's knowing. Yes, the key number here, 3811-2, more than one person knows about this. So we hope that there's a leak in the little gang of community of people that speak out. But there's a knowing here, collective knowing what's happened to Nikki. Because why? He got people to help. He got people to help. Also, yeah, 14.5, 19.10.1. See, immediately in this zone here, beg your pardon, I didn't highlight this properly. Immediately when this deal goes down, there's a transactional number here. He definitely got help. Definitely got help. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's what I have for now. Once again, thank you for reminding me of the case. And we do hope that, I believe there will be justice for Nikki. And let's keep her story going. Alright, please leave your comments and opinions. I do love engage with them. Please take care. I feel a lot better now after this reading all of a sudden. And please stay safe, stay alert, have a good weekend. Bye for now.